Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your eggs being gone in the new Easter Part 2 update. So in this new update, a lot of people's eggs got bugged and they got completely removed. A lot of people got like 700, 800, 900 eggs, but it just got completely wiped in the new update. So this is definitely a bug from the dev's perspective. So what you guys can try doing is restarting your Roblox client and then reopening or relaunching 99 Nights in the Forest. And if it still says 0, you guys can simply just wait for the devs or join the Discord server and make a support ticket, because most likely if it's a lot of people having the same issue, then the devs will do something about it. So you guys simply just have to wait until they go ahead and give you your eggs back, because a lot of people's eggs got completely wiped. So that should fix the issue. Again, just go ahead and wait for the devs to fix the issue, and once they do fix the issue and you still don't see your eggs, just restart your client, restart Roblox, and restart our 99 Nights in the Forest as well. So that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. That is how to get your eggs back. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.